Okay.
It's fixing time.
It's... Ay, naka... Na! Aya! Yummy!
Yummy! I have a sweet mango.
Mm. Yeah, it is surely sweet.
Yeah.
Very, very sweet mango.
First we need to cut it.
We need to cut it into pieces. Then Asing will eat this one.
Yep, guys. It's totally wacky. Whoa. Totally. I really need to work my backy. My pajamas, I will. Daddy, I don't know.
Yan na, I'll get some spoon.
Cut it. It's so tasty.
Tasty, yeah, you like. So tasty.
Yummy. I want to have everything the same. It's so tasty and you want to eat it.
Very tasty mango.
Yup, guys. Like this video if you love mango.
Oh, like this video, guys, if you love mango. Really, Asing?
Yep.
Are you going to do a mukbang?
Yep. I love it.
Okay, you show it to them. What can you say? Oh, just tell them. What is that? What is it? Is it delicious?
Yeah, guys. It's delicious.
It's delicious, guys.
You hate dinosaurs.
Another one.
You will eat it, guys.
You will invite them to watch your video. You invite
Like my video. You like and subscribe.
say,
Let's go to India. Come to my channel.
okay, nice one. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay.